Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we will cover that how to implement the client-side validation in Laravel application using Parsley.js. So Parsley.js is a JavaScript library which is very powerful. So you can validate your client side in any language like PHP or Laravel or others. Like it's very simple, and if you are not familiar with the server side validation in Laravel, I created a video. You can watch this video and learn that how to implement the server side in validation in Laravel application. So this video is about client side, so let's start it. There is three basic steps to implement this client side validation. The first one is add CSS JS CDN, and the other one is add ID in the form, and the third one is initialize script in script, right? So let's start it. This is the Parsley.js official website, and first you need to add the jQuery CDN. I already pasted this in the notepad, so let me copy this. This is the jQuery, and go to the text editor. I am doing this in my create form which I created in the previous video, okay, and I will add the link in the description. I added the link, and let me copy the Parsley CSS, right? So this CSS is there, and let me copy the script last tag. I need to add this in the at the end of the page. So let me go to the end of the page, and here before body I need to paste this, and then the next step is let me go there and add ID in the form, like we go there and like this, okay. Copy this and go to your form, and here you need to add ID in your form. This is my form, and I'm adding this form ID. Let's go to the third step. We need to initialize the Parsley in the script like this, okay. We initialize this ID in the form here, and now we are accessing this ID and initializing this Parsley.js. So let's go to the text editor and paste this at the end of script, right? Paste it there. Now our library is initialized. Now we can validate our user data. So how you can implement the validation? So let's go here, and then you need to click on this built-in validator, and there is built-in validation which is supported by this Parsley.js. So there is a required, you can also add this required, okay, and you can also add this simple. Let's move this with the simple one. So this is a title field I'm entering here are required, okay. Save this one and go to the browser and refresh the web page, and let's submit it. If I click on this submit, it first validate that title is required. Click, and yes, now it says that this value is required, and it's changed the background color, right? So let's go here and add one more validation. Let me go to the Parsley.js. You can type this, type email required and stuff like that. So in there we can also fix the minimum length, right? Let's go here and let me type the minimum length at the end of the page so it's readable for us. So minimum length is 6, okay. Let's go here. There is two validation. The first one is required and other one is minimum length is 6, but I'm entering 3. Let's submit it, and it says value is too short, it's 6 character or more. So it means that our both validations are successfully working. So now we understood that how to validate the user, right? There is a lot of validation. You can min max, and there is other properties you can verify that like it's an email or password and stuff like that. So you can read the full documentation. It's everything is mentioned in the documentation. It's a very powerful library, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comments box. So thank you so much, and I'm shooting the videos on the Laravel daily basis, so you can subscribe my channel and watch the upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.